Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Sophia, and welcome to Cheeky, Sassy, and Me. And first thing here on my channel. One thing you need to know about me is that I love my candy corn. And so does my dad. Who loves candy corn? Comment down below who loves the candy corn. If you love candy corn, you're gonna love this recipe because it's made of real candy corn. Today, we're making candy corn pound cake. Who's excited? Okay, if you like some fun footy videos, make sure to press the subscribe button and hit the bell to get notified of my latest videos. Today, we're going to be combining the two things that I love, pound cake and candy corn. The things we need are dyes, yellow and orange, candy corn, eggs, butter, powder, flour, heavy cream, two types of sugar, powdered and regular. We're going to start by mixing together our heavy cream and our candy corn into our saucepan. Hello, this is this just got heated up in here. Now I'm gonna mix in our candy corn to our heavy cream. So, Mr. Corn, do you want me to call you Candy? So, do you recognize anyone in there? Melted. Any last words? Now we're putting our butter to our stand mixer, and did you know we have a flat handle to move them together? Now I'm gonna grease and flour up our bundt pan. Now I'm gonna divide our batter into 3 bowls. Can you guess why we're dividing our batter? Because we're gonna dye in different colors. Now we're gonna want to leave one batter by itself and 2 gonna dye orange and yellow. Now I'm gonna dye 1 powder yellow and I'm gonna add 4 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's time for some jokes of Mr. Candy Corn Man. Are you ready? I know I am. What do you get across a werewolf and a candy corn? Corn dog! So we added 2 more squares to our batter. Speaking of fashion, did you know that Kris Jenner went to the Met Gala in blonde hair? Is that the look you're going for tonight?
You better work.
Okay, we have to get more yellow. Scratch the squirt, so we can add some more. So, do zombies eat candy corn with their fingers? They eat their fingers separately! How's it all looking good? Now we're going to do the same thing but for our orange. We're going to add the full tube. Now we have our colors, yellow, orange, and white. My first layer is yellow. Now we added our orange layer to our pan. Our last layer of batter is in our pan. Now we're going to put it in the oven at 350 degrees. While our cake is baking, we're going to work in the icing. The first thing you want to do is make the 1 cup of candy corn infused cream. Use 1 cup of heavy cream and 2/3 cup of candy corn heated up. Now we're going to combine our candy corn mixture and our 2 cups of powdered sugar. I'm pouring in my sugar. I'm going to be testing the Mueller multi-purpose hand blender. You can use any blender you want. When testing new equipment, always be safe. Remember, safety first. I put my frosting in the freezer for 20 minutes. I use leftover candy corn to decorate. Now I'm gonna cut and see how it's gonna be inside. So I can see the different colors in the cake. So, do you like my cake? Subscribe, like, ring that bell.